Hi everyone. I got a package this week from Teresa C. up in North Alabama. And isn't this the sweetest little angel that's on the front? I didn't open it. I figured I could probably get into this one without tearing it up. So we're going to open it and find out what sweet happy mail she sent me. And I can already tell you, Teresa, thank you very much. Oh my. Oh, Teresa, did you make this? You guys can't see the pattern. Oh my, there's a big rose on it. Let's see, what do I have over here? Oh, you can see it. Okay. Well, I was just going to put something behind it so you could see it better, but isn't that beautiful? Teresa, thank you. That's so sweet. That's beautiful. It's a complete rose. I can't, let's see if it will go in this way. Yes, it'll go in that way. It's kind of hard to see sideways, but Teresa, that's beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Oh, that's gorgeous. Let's look at her card. Oh, and look at this pretty card. Can you see the design on it is so subtle. It's beautiful. Oh. It says, thank you, just a small token of my appreciation. Hugs, Teresa. This is not a small token. This is just absolutely beautiful, Teresa. Okay, I'm going to put this into my happy book, and then I'm going to use her little sweet angel on the front and maybe some of her envelope to do a page in my little happy mail book. Let's see, how will I put that in? Oh, I'm going to set that aside though so I don't get ink or glue on it. Thank you, Teresa. Let's see, put that right there before I have a craft-a-lunch. I'm wondering if I have someplace I can tuck that already. I actually think I will. Oh, doesn't that look perfect on that page? I'm just going to glue it in. And I actually think I'll glue this inside. Yeah. Where's my pen? I like to write who things are from so that even if I open it and I see it, it's easier to remember. Plus, when it comes I'm actually going to have to make another book soon. I really love this book. This is my happy book. Looking at it makes me happy. Pin. But now let's make a page in our little Happy Mail Bits book. And because, can I get that off of there? There's a little apple stamped out on the corner too. I don't know if that's going to survive getting picked. I might have to cut that off. It may be better to cut it all off. Let's go over there. You know, these envelopes are hard to tear. Goodness. Oops. There's some of that pretty color. I actually kind of like this envelope with her hair too. So I might cut a piece of it. There, very little to go in the recycle bin. Okay. Let's see if we can find a fun page to work on. Oh, this would be good. Look at the color in her hair right there. Oh, you guys can't hardly see. Let me get you in here a little closer. Oh. There we go. I'll try to keep it in screen for now. But what I was trying to say is, see how her hair right there is kind of the same color as this, and then this kind of goes with it. So Okay, guys. Um, I love this page. It's just so cute, and it always makes me just smile that we can take bits off of our table, or off of an envelope or something like that, and do something fun with it on a page. That it doesn't take all kinds of special stuff. Now, I am also loving this little stamp set. I'm loving it more and more. I like it when the letters are all not in line. They're just kind of, it kind of adds to the grunginess of it, and I just really like that. I didn't put them back in the little box because I want to clean them just a little bit before I put them away. But I want to say thank you again to Teresa. Oh, and then other thing is I had to stop the video, just so y'all know, I had to stop and go check up the word midst. I was not sure I had spelled it correctly. Y'all don't know this yet, my spelling is atrocious. So anytime I put a word in, if I'm not exactly sure of it, I have to go check it, because otherwise it'd be on my page misspelled. So thank you, Teresa. Thank you for the lovely piece of lace. It's gorgeous. I can't thank you enough for that, and for the fun little bits that I got to put in my journal today. So let's find a quote from our little quote book. We are running out of them, a few. I have a ways to go, though. I don't think I've done 1,000 videos yet. Anyways, this is a 1001 Ways to Creativity, and we're going to read you a quote from it. Figuring out our gifts in life is part of our journey to become enlightened human beings. Alison Dubois. Figuring out our gifts in life is part of our journey to become enlightened human beings. I like that one. Okay, guys, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.